Good morning. My name is Dan Thompson. Today we're going to be looking at a new listing, which is a 2020 280 Cobia with twin 200 Yamahas. This well-kept boat, single owner. Got 670 hours. A nice live well at the transom. Great storage. One nice thing about Cobia, they have a tremendous amount of seating. Nice Garmin electronics, Yamaha display, VHF, comfortable helm seats, nice enclosure with a vent, color matched underneath of the hardtop. As we walk forward, get an amazing bow with a power table, windlass. Comfortable seating for 4 or more. You access the head from the front here. Just open that up. A nice vacuum flush head. Got front sputter lights. JL audio speakers. And so much more. If you'd like to set a time to come see this boat, you can reach me at my cell phone is the best, 978-375-1584. And again, my name is Dan Thompson, and thank you for looking at this 2020 280 Cobia, and look forward to seeing you on the water.